Tired of the 9-to-5 grind and ready to build a profitable online business without the hassle of managing inventory? Let's dive into dropshipping. First, pinpoint a profitable niche. Use tools like Google Trends and product research platforms to identify trending products with low competition, focusing on your passions and market gaps. Next, conduct in-depth product research to find reliable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress or through direct manufacturers. Evaluating shipping times, product quality, and pricing. Then, choose your e-commerce platform. Shopify is user-friendly, WooCommerce offers customization, and Wix provides simplicity. Optimize your store with high-quality product photos, compelling descriptions, and a seamless checkout process. Now, drive traffic using Facebook ads, Instagram marketing, and SEO. Creating targeted ads, engaging content, and optimizing your website with relevant keywords to attract customers. Provide excellent customer service by promptly addressing inquiries and resolving issues, ensuring customer satisfaction and building trust with clear communication about shipping times and return policies. Finally, scale your business by analyzing key performance indicators like conversion rates and customer acquisition costs. Refine your marketing strategies and explore new product opportunities to maximize profits. Remember to address legal aspects like business licenses and taxes, and set up secure payment gateways such as PayPal or Stripe to process transactions safely and ensure customer data protection. Optimize your website for conversions by A/B testing different elements and analyzing your KPIs to understand customer behavior and identify areas for improvement. This helps to create a better user experience and drive more sales. Avoid common pitfalls like poor product quality and slow shipping. Invest in premium products and prioritize fast, reliable shipping options. Stay adaptable, continuously learn, and stay ahead of the curve. Dropshipping can be a fantastic opportunity, but requires dedication and continuous learning. Stay informed about industry trends and be prepared to adapt your strategies as the market evolves. So, are you ready to take the leap, start your dropshipping journey today, and unlock your entrepreneurial potential? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and leave a comment below with your questions.